Should I shoot? I can't do this no more, bro. Go.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Quay, man. Today I'm here with my nigga KP.
Today we're here with another, like, it's not like any video like we ever did. It's not a reaction. It's not a prank. It's not a vlog. It's not a smash pass. We're doing that type of video.
I'm doing a story time for y'all, man. It's depressing, bro. We really don't want to talk about it, but we can give y'all what y'all want.
I never told nobody this, but I'm telling y'all, bro. We never told. Like, we swore this would be a secret forever, bro. But
we really getting put at risk. I'm saying this, bro.
Like, feeling guilty, bro. Like, real guilty. So, I'm gonna tell you a story, and if I get caught, I get caught. It is what it is. Alright, this how it go. We was at the crib. Me and Quay was at my crib. So, me and Quay was at the crib. And Mike was at his crib. Like, he was just chilling and stuff like that. So, me and Quay, went you upstairs?
Yeah, I went upstairs, man. And nobody was there. Like, when I went upstairs, wasn't nobody there, bro.
I was downstairs, like, just down there, and there wasn't nobody there. And Mike, like, it was just in his crib, but, like, all of a sudden, like, I got some easy feeling. I kept calling Mike's name, like, he wouldn't answer. Calling him, I'm like, Mike, he wouldn't answer. So, I said, Quay, come downstairs. So we can go downstairs, see where Mike was at, like, look for him. And we like, go to his crib. And then, when we came down, we heard footsteps. Like, that's the craziest thing. Like, we heard footsteps, like, somebody was running.
And I thought it was Mike, but
that's right, Quay, he ran around the corner.
yeah,
I went to the house that Mike was at. So, I went to the house. I didn't see him. And then next thing you know, I heard gunshots. Bah, bah. And then I turned around and I yelled, Quay. But he didn't answer. So I just ran back down there. I pulled out my pole. I pulled out my gun. And then I'm looking for him. He not answering. And next thing you know, I see this nigga I never seen before a day in my life. Like, I never seen this nigga be a day in my life. And then, that's why I'm like calling Quay name still. But I stopped because I seen the guy.
But the crazy thing, bro, when I walked around the house, I saw somebody standing in the window, bro. I thought it was Mike, but it won't. Like, I thought it was Mike, bro, but it was
not. Look, just to like,
yeah, it was not Mike.
I know I heard Jaquina say, KP. So it's like this, like, I'm like getting like really scared. And then like the guy, he didn't see me when I seen him, so like, he just ran back there to the house where Jaquina was headed at. So I'm thinking like, what should I do? Like, it's a life or death situation. So that's when I seen this another guy I never seen at a day in my life. Like, it's two guys. Like, this point, like, I'm like really like scared. Like, I don't know what to do. So I decided to hide in the bush. I just right in there. They all thinking in the bush. So like, should I shoot? Or should I just sit here in the bush? Or if I sit in the bush, I might doubt them. But it's crazy. I didn't know even one was dead, but I just had the gut feeling. So I was like, well, should I help him? Like, shoot.
When I heard the gunshot, I didn't know what to do, bro. I thought it was KP, but it was a louder shot than his gun. It was a shotgun, and I thought it was KP, but he got a pistol, so I knew it wasn't KP, bro.
I'm just sitting there in the bush, and the nigga I saw run past me, so I caught the bush. I started dumping on him, bro. Like, I knocked like 30 and then 60 off him, and this nigga would not go down at all. Then I finally got him down. Next thing you know, his partner come rolling around. Then me and him start having a shootout. I'm jumping up trying to dodge the bullet.
I came around, man. It was tragic, bro, cause when I seen him shooting at KP, bro, I thought he was gonna hit KP, bro. That thing was sad.
And then Quay, he started dumping on too. And then that's when
I put, man,
he had to do what he had to do too, bro. He had a pump. He just knocked nigga out with one shot, bro. To the head. 200 off the nigga.
Then we started looking for Mike.
And then I just looked up and like, we left and went back to Mike's crib. Like, we just off these nigga shits, but like, we really just killed somebody. Like, we eliminated these niggas, bro. And so we went to the crib Mike was at, and we seen our nigga in critical condition, bro. This nigga was down on his hands and his knees crawling. he got shot. So it's like first thing in my head, like I gotta help this nigga, bro. Like I gotta help him, like really help him. So I started healing him, man. And it didn't even take long, until about 10 seconds. So he got up, but his self like really was low, like really low. So I had a med kit for him. So I gave him the med kit. And he got his life back, just like me and Jaquan life was. So all three was on 100. And so we just left. And we never told nobody what happened that day, because we're afraid we might go to jail.
The next thing y'all know, bro, guess what happened? The storm came, bro. We got stuck in the storm, bro.
The storm, this wasn't the first storm. It was like the second or third one. So it was knocking 2 off our health.
2?
2. Not 1, but 2.
And then we started running to the circle, but it was like...
It was too far.
Too far, bro.
Like, too far, bro. So, Quay, I'm running. I'm telling him to run. Like, telling him got to keep up, bro. Like, this nigga would not keep up with us from that.
You know I'm fat.
Bro.
I couldn't keep up, bro. And Mike the fastest out the group. Like,
yeah, like, he got cat speed. Mike, he was leaving us, bro. Like, he got, like, cat speed. So, he was in the front.
And he was gone, bro. And then they was leaving me, bro. And I couldn't do nothing. And that's when I failed, bro. When I got up, they was gone.
Then I looked back. I seen you coming down. I didn't have no bandages, no med kit. I didn't want to leave my nigga like that. So I went back, tried to heal him, but I got down too. Man, at this point, Mike was in the front, bro. And me and Jaquan was down. He looked at his left corner screen and he seen both of us down. And at this point, I said, "Go, Mike, just leave us. And he like, "No, bro." He like, no, I was like, "Mike, just go, just leave us, bro. Like, we're not gonna make it." And Mike was just like, "So is." Yo, been trying to cast. And so
it started knocking 2 off himself, bro. Yeah.
Man, we just ended up down together, bro. Like, we came this close, it was like 15 more people alive.
It was man, this shit tragic, bro. But if y'all want to see another story time, bro.
I can't do this no more, bro.
Me either, man.